All right, guys, so I got most of the plastics all wet sanded. You can see that one's they're over there. But just kind of rearranged the garage a little bit. And guys, I have decided I am going to be painting the plastics tomorrow, if everything goes right. I still gotta get them all prepped up, but I should be able to do that before I go to work tomorrow. So then after work, I can get right into it. Got the heat gun right up there. I got an extension cord, and then I got 2 cans of paint. So see how far that gets me. Hopefully it's enough, but I mean, we'll see. So just gotta pull the snowmobile out, pull that out, pull the Kawasaki out, and then I'm gonna have to roll this back and roll it out. So this will go out last. And then just cause, this is my nice stuff. I don't want to get overspray on anything, and then, might as well pull this out too. I do have the sticker kit on its way, but it'll be like a week and a half before it comes in for this. I mean, I'm not in a hurry yet. Just working on the Predator right now, I believe, or graphics kit. But I believe the graphics kit for this one should be, or I should say that one, should be in tomorrow actually, I think. And then the seat cover Friday, but it's actually Tuesday night right now, guys. So yeah, so I got it all prepped up pretty much. And yeah, I'll show you guys more before I actually paint them. And I have them kind of laid out. I'll show you guys where all the cracks were and all that, and go over all that before I put the paint on them. And hopefully it turns out all right, because tomorrow I think it's gonna be 20 degrees. So we'll see how that goes. But definitely gonna have to pull everything out, and then I have all night tomorrow to get that done. So I'm going to be busy, but then once that's done, and then with the temperature, actually Thursday is gonna be the warmest day of the week, and then I can bring a little heater down here too, and just have the plastics right here with the heater to heat them up. But I have a feeling that they're gonna take like a day to dry, just because I've painted a few little things. Like here's that brake or tail light bracket for the Predator, and then when I also painted my brake reservoir right there, and then my parking lever. Stuff takes a long time to dry. So I mean, that works for me, because I believe my bearings for my steering box won't be here till Friday. Same with the stuff for the Kawasaki. Actually, I might get the exhaust pipe for it Thursday. But like, I could just take Thursday off and just leave it sit down here and dry, and then Friday get back to work and get everything together. But I mean, this thing's getting pretty dang close, especially because the bearings were for sure gonna be here by Friday. That's what the tracking number said. So then the steering box and the front end will be done. Tail light on, so that's like the rear end done. And then the plastics are the big thing. And then same with the seat cover. Can't wait for the new one to come in. So I guess we're waiting until Friday for that. And the plastic reveal. I don't know if I'll show you guys before then, but yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet once it's done. So handlebars are all done. So I mean, it's getting pretty close. It's just the plastics and a few little things, guys. And same with the Kawasaki, just a few little things left. So I'm trying, guys. I've been grinding out here, trying to get these machines done for you guys. I don't know. I'm a little lost for words. So see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys. So the time has come. It's time to pull everything out of the garage so I can get the plastics painted for that. So I'm gonna show you guys that. Alright guys, so just like that, everything's out of the garage. Now I can wax and grease remover this stuff and get all set up to paint it all. So I'll show you guys them when they're done. Alright guys, so I got some parts coming in. I got 2 boxes right there and then a bunch of stuff right here. All stuff, actually that one's for the Scrambler, but all this stuff is for the Kawasaki and the Predator. And gonna continue painting the plastics because I ran out of paint. So there's a little sneak peek of the front one. But I'm gonna continue that tonight and get everything finished up. And probably start working on these because I got the day off of work, so I got plenty of time to do stuff today, like 8 hours. So I should be able to get a lot done, and I got pretty much all the stuff I need. So I know I got everything for the Kawasaki now, and actually I think I got everything for the Predator too. So let's get started. Alright guys, so first things first, I got the bearings finally for my steering box right here, which I've had all prepped up for like a week now. So I can finally get that back together and in the Predator, so then I can pull that out on its own. And then I'll also do the fuel valve and the spark plug here, so I can actually pull it out just like everything else. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna get on the plastics for the Predator. So I'm gonna get that done. Alright, so I got the steering box all put back together. Got all the bearings in and the bushings. It wasn't actually too bad. We got the steering column one in there. It's all bolted back up. Moves really nice now. You know, no horrible noises or nothing, no play. So that's awesome. And so now that's ready to be put in. So I'm have to pull the tank off of it and then undo this part that holds the steering column so it can slide up tall enough, and then I'm gonna have to wiggle it in there and then hook up the tie rods again, and it'll be good to go. So I'm gonna do that now. Alright guys, so I actually pulled the machines out again so I can finish painting the plastics for the Predator. But the Predator, I got the steering box all back in it, the fuel valve done, the spark plug, and I took it out for a little ride, and it's doing really good now. So just gotta finish up the plastics, and it'll be pretty much ready to go. And then I got all the parts for the Kawasaki, still waiting for the seat cover for the Scrambler, and then I just gotta put my registration on the snowmobile. So there's a little update for you guys, and got this cool overhead view of them. So yeah, gonna be painting the plastics for it now. Alright guys, so I got all the plastics for the Predator painted last night, and I actually found some staple guns so I can do the seat cover on it. But before I do that, I actually have everything for the Kawasaki right here in those 2 boxes. And so I'm just gonna get this thing finished up and done. So then, like, say I can, move it to the other side of the garage and whatnot, just kind of move it, and pretty much wrap this thing up because they are both super close to being done. I'm pretty sure. But yeah, I just want to get this thing done, just because it's been a minute since I worked on it, because I've been waiting on parts. I finally should have everything to get it finished up, and then I gotta tune it, and so I'm gonna get started on that. So I got a skid plate, I got some body mounts, I got like all the bolts for the body, and then I got the OEM exhaust, so I can replace this aftermarket exhaust. It's got an FMF on it and a Lex, and I'm pretty sure that that's why it's running so bad, because when I get above a 3rd throttle, it just does not want to, it just stops and just sputters and all that. And I'm pretty sure the exhaust is fighting each other, because usually when an exhaust company makes a full exhaust, they tune it, to run right, but this one's got a different end on it, and so I'm pretty sure that's why it's running so bad. But I guess we'll find out, because I got a exhaust system over there. So hopefully my theory is right, because otherwise I got a whole nother problem, and I don't know, because maybe it could be in the wiring harness, because a mouse got in it, and the guy I got it from fixed the wiring, so it ran. But who knows, maybe something else is wrong. Maybe it's the exhaust. I'm gonna try and figure it out, but it's also gonna suck the exhaust in too, because this thing sticks out way too far. So that'll be really nice. So I'm gonna do that, and then I think I actually need to drain a little bit of oil out of it. I think I put a little too much in it. I said 2 quarts, but I'm pretty sure it's too full. And then just get the body fastened up and everything, and yeah, I'm gonna get that done for you guys. All right, guys, so Kawasaki is still being funny, so I gotta look further into that because it still doesn't want to run right. It's obviously some kind of wiring issue. I believe, or the fuel pump or something like that. So we're gonna move on to the Predator now, and just try and get this done. Yeah, so I got the plastics all ready to put on. Well, I still gotta put like the front one together, the headlights and all that. And then I got a seat cover for it, and then just gonna put the plastics back on it, and you guys will see that. So I'm gonna do that now, and you guys will see when it's done.